To use Awardwallet to link your credit card, start by creating an account on the Awardwallet website or downloading the Awardwallet app. Once you have an account, navigate to the Add Account section and select the type of account you want to add. In this case, a credit card. Enter the required information, including the credit card issuer, card type, and card number. You may also be asked to provide your username and password for the credit card issuer's website. This information is used to securely connect your credit card account to Awardwallet. After entering the required information, Awardwallet will attempt to link your credit card account. If the connection is successful, you will see your credit card account listed in your Awardwallet account. You can then use Awardwallet to track your credit card rewards, including your current balance, rewards earning history, and redemption options. One of the key benefits of using Awardwallet to link your credit card is that it allows you to track your rewards across multiple credit cards and loyalty programs in one place. This can help you maximize your rewards earnings and make the most of your credit card rewards programs. To get the most out of Awardwallet, make sure to regularly update your account information and track your rewards balances. You can also use Awardwallet to set reminders for when your rewards are about to expire, and to explore redemption options for your rewards. In addition to tracking credit card rewards, Awardwallet can also be used to track loyalty program rewards, such as airline miles and hotel points. By linking all of your loyalty program accounts to Awardwallet, you can get a complete picture of your rewards portfolio and make informed decisions about how to earn and redeem your rewards. Overall, using Awardwallet to link your credit card is a simple and effective way to track your credit card rewards and maximize your earnings. By following these steps and using Awardwallet regularly, you can take control of your credit card rewards and make the most of your loyalty programs.